Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin update today. Bitcoin, I was looking at it and the monthly time frame. Just look at the volume on the monthly time frame. It's incredible. Okay, we haven't seen this buying power, especially on Binance exchange, ever since like 2018, something like that. So don't tell me that adoption is not there, because this is a very, very big volume. By the way, we're talking about 9.5 million of Bitcoin being bought. 9.5 million of Bitcoin. Imagine how much that really is in dollars. Okay, we're not talking about one Bitcoin. It's 9.5 million Bitcoin that has been taken in by big institutional whale traders, right? So you have this candle, and this candle pretty much broke above the monthly, which still tells me that we might have your bottom right there. Okay, that is one of the biggest sign that that's the bottom, because when you've broken out of the candles, and especially now that we've talked about the volume, and the volume is on the side, if I do show you how the monthly is, it looks amazing, man. I do like how the monthly looks like. Now there are chances, I've read many different groups, that we do have some hidden bearish divergence on the weekly, on the daily, or the 4-hour time frame, which cannot be ignored. By the end of the day, if something is there, it's there, and we have to actually take it into consideration. But to me, now let's say if July does end being a little bit red, I don't really see Bitcoin dropping like way too much or anything. But what I do see for Bitcoin is that you might end up having this red candle, just like previously you had this red candle. But what happened here is that after the red candle, it was followed up by a nice green candle to the upside. So can you end up being red in July? Fine, but it doesn't look like August can actually end up being like it. Just a very similar repetition to what happened right over there. Now let's go back into the 4-hour time frame as well, and let's look at how the 4-hour time frame. Now the 4-hour time frame is still pretty much the consolidation zone. Okay, parallel channel, there's no break to the downside just yet. If you do have the break to the downside, you have a 24,000 as your technical target, and if you do take 23,900, you do have 19,000 on cards as well. Right now people are getting pretty much neutral. On the left hand, can you see my left hand right now? We have the bearish people, and if you look at my right hand, we got bullish people, and the bullish are dragging my hands and the bearish are dragging my hand as well. The thing is that they ripped me apart, and the left people are taking half of my damn body, and the right people are taking half of my body. And what I mean is the market can actually flip on any side and become volatile on any side. That means that if you're going to be letting the bears win, my left hand win, then boom, down. Okay, and it's going to be volatile. It's not going to be just a drop. It's going to be a volatile drop, like throwing an atom bomb. Go and watch Oppenheimer. Okay, I watched that movie. They dropped a bomb, that kind of bomb. Okay, and if this right hand wins, another hydrogen bomb. Okay, so it's either atomic bomb or hydrogen bomb. And by the way, I don't even know why am I bringing up all this thing, but you get the point. Okay, and the signals are opened up. We do have 7 more days to close it, so come and join Twitter. Let's have you there. It's fun, and I'm going to see you with the next one. I love it.